In this video, we're going to set up the prerequisites for developing Hobbits on Ubuntu Linux 20. Some of the steps will be very similar on other platforms, and up-to-date specifics can be found in the Hobbits README and other documentation. Before running any apt installs, we'll run sudo apt update. We'll need the GCC development toolchain for compiling and debugging, so we'll run sudo apt install build essential. We'll need the OpenGL development library for Qt, so we'll run sudo apt install libgl1 mesa dev. We'll need Git for source control, so we'll run sudo apt install git. We'll need cmake for building, so we'll run sudo apt install cmake. We'll also need the patchelf tool to modify R paths in some of the built binaries, so we'll run sudo apt install patchelf. We're going to use the Conan C++ package manager to handle some of our development dependencies. Conan is not strictly necessary for building Hobbits, but we're going to use it in these video tutorials. We need Python 3 in order to use Conan, so we'll install it and some supporting packages with sudo apt install python 3, python pip, python is python 3. Conan can be installed into your Python environment using pip install conan. Once it is installed, you can configure it to use a special remote with Hobbit-specific dependencies. The URL for this remote can be found in the Hobbits documentation. If pip warns you that the Conan commands are being installed in a local directory that is not in your path, you will need to edit the .bashrc file in your home directory to add home/.local/bin to the path. We'll use Visual Studio Code as our main editor. We'll download the .deb package from the VS Code website and install it with apt. It will automatically configure a remote repo that will let us install future updates with a simple sudo apt upgrade code. When we open VS Code, we'll add the official C++ and Python extensions. For editing Qt UI forms in Hobbits, we'll use Qt Creator. Some platforms might need to use the Qt installer found on the Qt website, but on Ubuntu, we can just run sudo apt install Qt Creator. This should cover all the prerequisites needed to move on to the next video, where we will build and debug Hobbits. If you get an error that you can't troubleshoot, feel free to reach out and ask for help.